Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is part 15 and in this part we will learn how to register a user using Firebase. First of all, open your Firebase and in authentication part you will select email and password for user registration. Okay, then go to Firebase database. Create database. Okay, start in test mode and click next. Click enable. Okay, come to roles, and in roles you need to read this line. Put semicolon and publish it. It's fine. And come to pubspec.yaml file. Here in dependency section we will add some dependency. First one is get, mean getx. We will use for state management, and others are Firebase Auth, Firebase Storage, and Cloud Firestore. And fifth one is image picker, and click on pubget. Then go to your Android section. In Android build upgrader file, update your minimum SDK version to 21. Okay, then come to pubspec.yaml and click on pubget. Then come to your main screen, and here we will put these two lines. Basically we are initializing our Firebase here to our my app, and here we will put get material app because we are using getx, so we will use here get material app. And here we will add get pages for navigation. Okay, get pages, get page. Then come to our splash screen timer, and here I will put duration of 3 seconds, and after 3 seconds it will navigate to our login page. This name should be same as we declared here. Get page. Come to our login screen. In screens folder, I made 3 screens: login screen, registration screen. Sorry, 2 screens: login screen and registration screen. First one is our login screen. Here I am using safe area, then scaffold and simple child scroll view for scroll purpose, and then its child column, and in column children's I am putting stack. Basically we are using stack when we put widgets on top of another. And in stack children's I am using container, its width is double infinity, mean match parent. And its height is 30% of your mobile screen. Then decoration, color and border radius. I'm giving it bottom left. Then its child, I'm using icon, and it's our second child one is position widget, which is used to position our other widgets. Okay, and you can position according to yours, left, top, right, bottom, anything you can do it. Then I'm using padding and in padding there is another column and form field, and it's from child. There is column and in column children's there is padding. Okay, and there is text form field, and this text form field is for our auto correct false keyboard type text email address, and its controller is login controller dot email controller that I initialize here. I made a controller package, and in the controller package I add a class login controller, extends getX controller, and here global key that we will use for our form, and here email controller and password controller. Basically these are the text fields. Remove this, and there are other variables. Email password is loading. When user click on login, then there will be a circle. Dispose, as our getX controller is not anymore in use, then it will dispose these controllers, and there are two methods: valid email and valid password. Basically it will check our email is valid or not. Okay, I am calling it here on validator. Return login control dot valid email. If it's not valid, then it will show an error. Okay, and on save it will save an email variable that I created here, and here is the decoration widget, text, enter email and icons email. Come to widgets folder, and you will find it here, decoration widget. Here it is, decoration widget. Basically I am using it multiple times, so I made it as a separate widget into decoration prefix icon, and this icon will be this, and label text that I pass from login screen, add an enable border and its color, focus color. Okay, then come to login screen. This is for our email. Then we put a size box, height, giving some space between our email and our password. Here is password, same thing, but password controller, saving password, variable, validate, it will check validate, validate controller. If our password is less than 6, then it will show an error. Password must be of 6 characters. Okay, and here I am using the same decoration widget, but different text name and icon. Then I put in size box 20 and height and container for forget password. Comment it. I will add this in another video. And here it's text as forget password and style, give it color, primary color. Okay, then other one is padding, and here I'm using elevated button and it's style font, elevation 5, primary key on primary, shapes and patterns, text style, and its font family. Then child fitted box. Here I am using OBX, that is the function of our getX library. Basically it will check our, if it is valid, then our is loading dot value is equal to true. If it is true, then in center it will show a circular progress indicator. Otherwise it will show a login text widget. Okay, come to here, await auth dot sign in with email and password, and here you can see I initialize it here. It requires two parameters, email and other one is password. Email dot trim and email dot password dot trim dot then value is in, if value doesn't null, if user is exist. Okay, and here it will check if user email is verified, go to our main page, otherwise it will show user not found. And snack message, basically I create a separate method, separate folder, common dot and in common class, and here I give you this snack message. It will show a snack and its position is bottom and margin 16 from our sides, and its title will be alert and message will be the message we will pass. Okay, okay, this is for our login. Our next child is row. Children text don't have account, text button. When you will press on text button, then you will go to get that off name to register. Okay, and its child is register. That is here, register screen. This is same. Okay. Then it will come to our register screen, and here I am using safe area, scaffold, single chat scroll view, same like our login screen, and stack here, same container with double infinity, child, persons and position, register. Then I'm using pattern, and it's pattern include columns, and in column I'm using form fields. Here I'm using one extra field, that is name, user name. Okay, user name. The other stuff is same. And here I create a user register controller in controller method, register controller global key, and here we have three text editor controllers. First one is name controller, email, password, and we have three variables: name, email, password, and this one is for our image. We are not working on image right now, but later we will use this. And here I create a collection reference for storing user information in our database, and in dispose when our catex register controller is not in use anymore, then it will dispose these three controllers. And here we have three methods: valid name, valid email, and valid password, like our login controller. And here registration method. In registration method, first it will check if all these three fields are valid, then our loading is true. Here I am using another method, user register, and here I am passing email and password. And come to here, user register, email, password, and here we will create a user using email and password. Then value, if value doesn't equal to null, then it will send a email verification to the user. And at the end it will return user credentials that we are using here. If credentials doesn't equal to null, mean if user is registered and send an email verification, then it will save data in database, save data to DB. This is another method that I am using here. Save data to DB, user is equal to Firebase auth instance grant user. Okay, and user database reference that I have initialized here, a collection of user, and user database doc, and it will store a user using current user's ID. That will help us to fetch user data later. User.uid.set UID, user.uid, name, email. Okay, and return. Right now URL will be empty. Okay, then come to here, save data to DB, then value Firebase auth instance current user does not equal to null, send email verification, and it will send email verification to the users and move to our login page. Come to our registration screen. All other stuff are the same. Here it is: email, password, registration controller, row, okay. Now we will run our app and see what happens. Okay, first of all we will register a username job, okay, click on register. Alert, here you can see snack message. Okay, it sends a email for verification. First of all we will verify. your email has been verified. Then come to here and okay, it's working fine.